Mamelodi Sundowns star Themba Zwane has defied the odds once more, securing a rare contract extension at a big club at the age of 35, thanks to what his agent calls one of the toughest negotiations of his career. Zwane, who has been an integral part of the Sundowns setup for over a decade, was facing an uncertain future after sustaining an Achilles tendon injury while on Bafana Bafana duty in October 2024. Just 3 matches into the 2024-2025 DStv Premiership season, the injury sidelined the veteran midfielder for 6 months, raising concerns over his long-term viability at the club. Compounding the uncertainty was Sundowns' initial offer of a one-year extension at the end of the 2023-2024 season, an offer met with widespread criticism from fans, pundits and also club legends alike. Many felt that Zwane, known as Mshishi, deserved more security given his consistent performances and loyal service to the club. By the close of 2023-2024 campaign, the Tembisa-born midfielder had made 41 appearances, providing that he still had plenty to contribute. Despite a lengthy injury layoff, he returned to action in April, but rumors persisted that Sundowns might not retain him for the upcoming season. Those doubts were put to rest when the club recently confirmed that Zwane has signed a new deal that will keep him at Kluakop at least June 2026. Speaking to Soccer Laduma, Zwane's long-term agent, Yasmin Mahlakrane, revealed the intense negotiations that went on behind the scenes to secure what he called a landmark agreement, and said, "Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you noticed. Maybe people didn't realize how difficult it was to convince the club on Themba, but finally they got the message." Mahlakrane likened Zwane's influence at Sundowns to that of Luka Modric at Real Madrid, insisting the club needed to recognize his invaluable leadership and experience, and said, "My advice was simple. I think Themba is like Luka Modric to them. They must treat him like that kind of a guy, someone you can count on when the chips are down." At 35, Zwane's extension is an anomaly in South African football, where top-tier clubs rarely offer multi-year deals to players in their mid-30s. Yet his technical brilliance, calm under pressure, and leadership on and off the pitch have made him irreplaceable. With his immediate future now secured, Mshishi will aim to close out his illustrious career with more silverware and continue inspiring the next generation at Kluakop. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.